bibirasi secondary school kurwase county ya Makueni baesokirie na Kogosereria gochia kweneke Omogiro ekero CHISEMI kirache kwiranirwa ase chiskuru ao omwaka ogocha nigo bono basabire serikali enene gwetera se wizara ya CHISEMI kweneke abuna nkobwatera nere ne serikali chichi county gochiko baigwa ebirero byabo.
Yesterday, during the State of Nation address, you said that you have employed 76,000 teachers. And you are also ready to employ another 24,000 teachers so that it can total 100,000 teachers. Now, my question is, are now the 76,000 teachers employed into P&P? Because only 56,000 teachers are employed on P&P.
We must all agree that this is the worst time for being a teacher in this country. You are mistreated, you are underpaid, and the worst of all is if you are a student in this country at this time, because you are being told by a teacher who is undermotivated. The worst time ever for a Kenyan student.
On what basis will the indance renew the contract? It was for 12 months and that should be done, non-renewable. So let the government confirm the indance, or we'll advise them not to attend school come January next year.
Because the government promised to confirm these teachers. Yes. Kindly don't start triggering the ego and the bitterness of teachers. Confirm these teachers and